this video I'll be showing you how to triple crochet, and later on in the video I will have a slow motion section for you. To begin, we need to start with a slip knot, and then I'm going to chain 15. You can chain as much as you'd like, but I'm just going to chain 15 for this demo. You can press pause now and meet up with me when you get your chain complete. When working a triple crochet, we're going to be skipping the first 3 chains from the hook. There's our hook, 1, 2, and 3. So this is the one we're going to be working in, and I'm going to mark that a little bit so you can see that. To triple crochet, we need to yarn over twice. And then we'll insert our hook into the chain, pull the working yarn through that and pull it up, then yarn over and go through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and go through 2 more loops, and then yarn over and go through the last 2 loops. And there you've completed a triple crochet. And you can see here where we skipped the 3 chains in the beginning gives us the same height as a triple crochet. So yarn over twice, insert our hook, grab that working yarn, put through and up, yarn over, pull this loop through these 2 loops, then yarn over that through these 2 loops, and yarn over and through the last 2 loops. So continue on doing that until the end of the row. And when you get to the end of the row, we are going to chain 3 and turn our work over. Now we'll start our triple crochets again, and we're going to work in this first stitch here. And triple crochet all the way across again. And continue that until you reach the desired size of your project. You could make a dishcloth, you can make a scarf, a blanket, all out of triple crochet if you wanted to. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you can be notified when I upload new videos.